At least it does not smell like rotting corpse. Didn't have any memory on that card because I would have did this whole entire thing with my microphone off. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the 8th video, right? We're on number 8, yeah. But anyway, really quick, yeah, popping in here, just to say, I know that, obviously that doesn't say anything about advent calendars, but this is the second number 8 advent calendar. I didn't catch it when I was pre-recording, so technically, I guess it's like the 13th advent calendar. I don't know. Enjoy just, you know, an extra advent calendar along with this marathon. Okay, bye. 8th video or installment or, you know, the 8th advent calendar unboxing. In today's one, we are going to be doing the Kiehls advent calendar. I have no idea how much this one cost and my phone's gonna die, so. This was a $99 advent calendar, and it actually was the very first one that I purchased. However, we're unboxing it on the 8th. Before we do get into this video, if you guys are new here, my name is Jessi Maee and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Let's just get on into this, and like I did I say it? If you guys are enjoying the video while you're watching and you just want to help support me a little bit more, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up because that does help me out tremendously. This calendar did cost $99 and it has a retail value of $245. Now everything in here, because it's Kiehls, obviously it's Kiehls, like it's a Kiehls advent calendar, but everything in here is skincare. A1, we have, oh geez, this is, okay, 19, 21, 10, 1. But he's got a cute little, actually, let me show you guys how cute this advent calendar truly is. And it was actually designed by a French artist, Marie-Lou Faure, F-A-U-R-E. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name. But she designed this, and I think it's super cute. It's really adorable. Let's open up box number 1. Don't read the back. The back tends to spoil them. I'm learning that on all my advent calendar unboxings. This is their creamy eye cream with avocado. And it has avocado in it. Now, it does not smell like avocado. It has a pretty good smell. It doesn't like stink or anything. I just don't like creams that stink. Alright, so number 2 is right here. And in day number 2, or for day number 2, we received the Plumping Serum Concentrate. Now, these are really little sample sizes. I guess everything in here is going to be sample. It did not tell me on the website if there was a specific amount of full-size items or, what are those called? Sample size items. Today, number 3, we received this cute little box. It's got shoes on it. So, like, the little Kiehls cream has shoes on it. The detail in these boxes are, like, they're cute and they're fun. Day number 3, we received the Super Multi-Corrective Cream. I'm going to try and just kind of go quickly because I'm not swatching anything, or I'm not going to really open everything because I'm not trying it on. I just wanted to basically spoil it for everybody, you know. Just getting this if you want to watch this unboxing. Alright, so day 4 was actually right above 3, which was great. I didn't have to search for it. Day number 4 for the Kiehls, we received the Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and it's got 12.5% vitamin C. So, super excited about this because I don't know if you can see it on camera, but my forehead lines, they're prominent. And day 5, we received a Ultra Facial Toner. That way you guys can kind of see what like the bottle looks like. I closed my box and I was scared to open it because since there's products missing, they're just going to fall out. Day number 6 is right here. We received Ultra Facial Oil-Free Cream Gel for normal to oily skin. Lucky day number 7, we received Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, or Serum? It says solution. I just want to keep calling it a serum, but it's just clear, you know. On the 8th day, she's right here, we received, I wish I had like a little table that I could just set it. The Powerful Strength Line Reducing and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Number 9 was actually right next to it. Lucky me. This is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. My braid is still a little bit up, but you know what? It's there. The 10th day is somewhere. Right here. Like having it there so much better. Why is it on the 8th calendar? I decided that yeah. So on the 8th day, or the 10th day, I went back to, 10th day, we received the Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. It's got an interesting gold jar. Is the cream golden? Ooh, it smells good. But that's what the cream looks like on the inside. It does smell really, really good. Like, I enjoy this smell. Excited to use that. I don't even remember what it's really for. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know. It's just it's a cream, a serum cream, basically. On the 11th day, all right, number 11, maybe a tube of some sort, a bigger tube than the, oh, it is. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser, and it is for all types of skin. On the 12th day, on the 12th day, we received the Calendula Herbal Extract Alcohol-Free Toner, and okay, it says made with whole flowers and pure extracts, so I'm gonna assume it's supposed to have these floaties in there. I really hope the camera's picking it up, but I was really kind of grossed out. Number 13, hey, give me 13. We received, oh, it's tiny, Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. What are you for? Wait. This is 15. How did I get 13 and 15 confused? So, the 15th day, we received the Vital Skin Strengthening Super Serum. Let's go on to 13. Lucky number 13. Gonna make those all fall. Not so lucky. So, on the 13th day, we received a facial feel, an energizing moisture treatment for men. Here's my issue with this. How many of you have a man in your life? If you were to get this, do you have a man in your life? Could you give this to them? So it's very gender specific. I'm sorry, that I did not appreciate coming from, you know, a skincare box that's not curated for men, like the Look Fantastic. No, Mankind or something. They have like, it's just an advent calendar for men. So I was really thrown off by having this in there. But this will get passed on to Kevin. Will he use it? Probably not. His Kopari face cream has been sitting in that bathroom for a good 2 years. It's probably garbage. Anyway, so day number 14, we have right here. 14. 16 just fell down. Alright, so day number 14, we have the Creme de la Corpse. Oh, it is. So, yeah, it literally says Creme de la Corpse. Yeah, don't. So, there you go. I adjusted it just for you guys. I don't want to leave it like this because this is too dark. I can't, absolutely not. I can't even see myself in the viewfinder. Got a kick out of that. But it's just a lotion for like your hands and body after showering. So, what do you smell like? At least it does not smell like rotting corpse or rotting flesh. Sadly, I know what that smells like, and I could go my whole entire life without knowing what that smells like. Day number 16 fell behind 24 because we already did 15. This damn the Calendula Deep Cleaning Foaming Face Wash. Yeah, this is gonna get old. Real old there. You can always use, you know, a good cleansing face wash. Hopefully it cleanses, you know. Generally what you do when you're trying to wash your face, cleanse it. Day 17 is under, so on the 17th day we received the Kiehls Lip Balm, number 1. Do you have a scent? It smells like Carmex. You know, that balm that you get at like the gas stations and whatnot. It smells like Carmex. But it has formulated with squalane and antioxidants, vitamin E. Our lip balm comfort softens and moisturizes dry lips. Can never go wrong with having a lip balm. Alright, day number 18. I just want to keep skipping numbers, I guess. On the 18th day, we have the Ultimate Strength Hand Salve, S-A-L-V-E. Yeah, a hand cream. Basically, like, you know, it's a little bit thicker than a cream because it's a salve. Moving on. So on the 19th day, we have a bigger jar than the other samples that so far. But this is the Calendula Petal Infused Calming Mask. On the 20th day, I've been staring at 20 and I couldn't find it when it actually came to the 20th. The 20th day we received, oh, I did not know, an amino acid shampoo with pure coconut oil. And it's for all hair types. I didn't know that they had shampoo, so I'm going to guess that we got the matching conditioner at somewhere in one of these boxes. If not, I'm going to be a little... I didn't get me shampoo and no conditioner. Alright, on the 21st day, probably the conditioner, which, yes it is. It is the amino acid with conditioner, or the amino acid conditioner with pure coconut and jojoba oil. On the 22nd day, we are almost done. This one's going pretty fast when you don't have to try or swatch or do anything. On the 22nd day, we received the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. Glad to have some retinol because it's supposed to help with wrinkles and fine lines and aging. Second to last, day number 23, Kiehls gave to me a full-size product, right? The Ultra Facial Cream is the 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. I mean, it's 0.95 ounces, so I want to say it's a full size. I mean, it's a decent jar. So it's, you know, bigger than your other samples. And so far, it's the biggest. So that's exciting. At least we got somewhat of a more bigger size product. And on the last day, the 24th day, we received a box inside of a box. The Kiehls Midnight Recovery Concentrate. This is the only thing that wasn't in a box. So is this a sample size? And, you know, it's somewhere on there, it's got to say. I don't know. That is the Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore an appearance of skin by morning. Oh. And it's in a really pretty blue bottle. I want to smell it. Oh, it smells good. Like, it's not a fragrance or anything, but like the stuff in it, the natural smelling stuff, it smells pretty good. I almost thought my camera was not recording, and I would have had a heart attack. But at least if I would have had to redo this, I could put everything back in because it tells me on the back what it is. Anyway, that's it for this Kiehls Advent Calendar, you know, number 8. Let me know what you guys think of this Advent Calendar unboxing. Did you like the products that, I mean, you know, it is, like I said in the beginning, just a skincare Advent Calendar. So do you think I got some good skincare? I'm probably most excited about the recovery oil, not gonna lie, and the retinol. Those two, definitely really excited for. Glad to have a new toner. I'll be able to get that a try. But let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below because I absolutely love chatting with you guys. Make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up because it just helps me out tremendously like you have no idea. And I hope you guys did enjoy. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other Advent calendars or hey, you like this look, you can check out my BoxyCharm unboxing video right here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!